In today's video, we'll show you how to download or save files from Google Drive onto your iPhone. As you might know, many files are shared via Google Drive links, and when you open them, they usually open in the Google Drive app if you have it installed, or in a browser if you don't. Let's go over how you can save those files on your iPhone. First, if it's a photo or video you want to, the link will open in the Google Drive app or in your browser. Once the file opens, look at the top right corner of the screen for 3 dots, tap on them. You'll see an option to download, tap on that, and once it's done, it will ask for permission to save the file to your Photos app or gallery. Simply allow it, and your photos or videos will be saved to the phone. Now, if it's a PDF or document you want to save, the process is similar. Open the document, tap on and download, and once it's downloaded, the file will open. At the bottom, you'll see the share sheet appear. From here, you can select the app where you want to share the document, or you can choose to save to files, to store it directly on your iPhone. That's how you can save PDFs or documents from Google Drive to your iPhone. And that's it. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.